Hey guys, if you guys would like to see how I created this super beautiful set, then please continue watching. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So to start off, I'm going to be taking this Vanillissa color. It's like a jolly blue color, and I'm going to apply this over all the nails. And you guys, this is a complete freestyle set. When I was making this set, I had no idea what I was gonna do. I just knew that I recently got in these new stickers. They're like Powerpuff Girl stickers. They're if you guys ever seen Powerpuff Girls, you guys would know about Bubbles, and she was always one of my favorite characters growing up. So when I received these stickers that I'm actually going to start selling on my website soon, I thought that I wanted to create this set, like a super pretty set with her. So that's what gave me the like inspo for this, was seeing those stickers, which I'm going to show you guys in a little while. But yeah, so I went ahead and I did 2 layers of that jelly color over all the nails. So these are the stickers I was talking about, you guys. Look how bomb they are. And like I said, I am going to be selling them on my website, so I will leave the link down below where you guys could purchase these. They're so pretty and like such high quality stickers. And actually, when I was making this set, I thought they looked really pretty on a clear blue background, but if you apply these stickers on like a white base, they'll really pop. So yeah, look at how pretty these are, you guys. Like, I love this nail set. I think out of all the nail sets I've ever made on my YouTube channel, this is my favorite one for sure. But yeah, so I'm just going to take the little blue butterfly and I'm going to surround her. And I'm also going to put bubbles all around her as well. Right after making sure that the stickers are laying flat on the nail, you want to go ahead and top coat that nail. And here I'm using the Kiara Sky gel top coat, and I'm applying a pretty thick layer of this over on top of this nail. On the ring fingernail, I'm going to be taking this blooming gel by iGel Beauty, and I'm going to be applying a pretty good layer on that whole entire nail. And I'm going to be taking this milky blue color by D&D, and I'm going to be just doing that croc design or croc print design. And yeah, I'm just gonna basically be doing this over the entire nail. Thought I could fly. I stepped off the golden. Nobody cried. Nobody. I'm going to also do the same exact design as I did on the ring finger, the same design on the thumb as well. However, this one's going to be a French tip nail, so you don't need to bring the croc print all the way down. Kinda thought they might care. Now for the pinky nail, I'm going to be using this super beautiful color called Jade Platinum. It's by the Platinum collection for D&D DC, and I'm just really going to dispense that color right on the bottom of the nail. And then as you see, I'm wiping off my brush and just kind of feathering that glitter upwards, because I want the tip of the nail to still keep that like jelly effect, and I want the like glitter to mainly be on the bottom of the nail, so it's kind of like an ombre. And here I'm taking some of these like little blue butterflies. These are super pretty, and I'm just going to be applying these on the clear part or the top part of the pinky nail.
And if I'm being honest, it might have been a nightmare. As long as I'm here, no one can hurt you. Don't wanna lie here, but you can learn to. If I could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve.
Now for the thumbnail, I really wanted to incorporate more of these stickers, you guys. So I'm just taking this blue butterfly sticker that I thought was so pretty, and I just applied that right on top of that French tip. And I'm also going to be applying these like little bubbles over the nails as well.
I tried to scream, and my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter. Could've been a nightmare, but it felt like they were right there. And it feels like yesterday was a year ago, but I don't wanna let anybody know.
To encapsulate the little butterflies on my pinky nail, I am going to be using my iGel Beauty base coat, and I'm applying a thick layer on top of those butterflies just so everything could lay smoothly. Now we are going to get started with the bling, and here I wasn't exactly sure like what type of bling style I was going to do. I just knew I wanted to use some like really high quality like rhinestones, so I pulled out some of these like super pretty rhinestones, and then I also took some of these because they're like blue and I thought they would go like perfectly with the set, and you guys will end up seeing what stones I picked. To apply the rhinestones, I am going to be using my Gummy Jelly by Nail Couture. This stuff is like a throwback for me because this is what I started off using when I first, or kind of like when I first started selling press-on nails. And I loved it so much. I bought so many bottles of it. And then I eventually like went to other things, started using newer things. But I seem to always come back to this product. So yeah, I really like it. And I'm just going to be applying it wherever I want to apply the rhinestones. And like I said, you guys, because this is a freestyle, I wasn't exactly sure what I was going to do. I just knew that I was putting the rhinestones where I thought they would look good.
Stepped off the golden, nobody cried, nobody could change the way that you see yourself, you wouldn't wonder why they don't deserve you. I tried to scream, but my head was underwater. They called me weak, like I'm not just somebody's daughter. Could've been a nightmare, but it felt like they were right there. And it feels like yesterday was a year ago, but I don't wanna let anybody know.
The top coat I'm going to be using to top everything off is my Kiara Sky Gel Top Coat. And you just want to apply this over all the nails. Try not to get them on your rhinestones. It will dull out the shine. And once you're done topping everything off, you guys are completely done. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you guys on my next video. Bye, guys.